As the number of coronavirus cases in India continue to rise, doctors and scientists are fiercely looking for a cure, drugs, vaccines, and other treatments that could really help in treating the coronavirus disease or the COVID-19. Let's do a three-point analysis of one such therapy that is being looked at as a beacon of hope. 1. Convalescent Plasma Therapy. Well, chances of treating coronavirus patients with plasma therapy are looking up, with the Indian Council of Medical Research hoping to begin clinical trials within next 1 or 2 weeks. Several states including Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Delhi have sought permission from the center to conduct plasma therapy to treat coronavirus patients. Now, in fact, in Delhi, a 50-year-old man who had developed severe symptoms for COVID-19 was administered this therapy, and this might be the first case of clinical use of this therapy. 2. What is this therapy all about? Well, the human blood is primarily made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets and plasma. Now, plasma helps the blood clot when needed and supports immunity as well. Now, when a person contracts an infection, such as COVID-19 in this case, their body produces antibodies to attack the virus. Now, these antibodies are secreted by immune cells found in the plasma. If the infected person can produce sufficient amount of antibodies, then he can recover from the disease caused by the virus. Once a person is recovered, the antibodies continue to stay in the blood, waiting to fight the virus should it return again. Now, in plasma therapy, the plasma of a person who has recovered from COVID-19 is drawn and then is transferred to people who have freshly contracted the disease. Now, plasma therapy was also used in the treatment of diseases such as SARS in 2003. 3. How effective is plasma therapy? Well, plasma therapy has proven beneficial in several coronavirus patients in China. 3 Indian American patients also who were critically ill showed signs of recovery when they were transfused with the blood plasma of recovered patients as well. Now, the plasma drawn from one recovered person can actually help 2 people. According to scientists, a patient needs only 1 transfusion to get enough antibodies to fight the virus. A COVID-19 patient will be eligible for donating plasma for this therapy at least 2 weeks after he or she has tested negative for the novel coronavirus. Now, it is believed that by this time, the patient's antibodies are at the right amount. Now, even though plasma therapy renders only temporary passive immunization to the sick and isn't as effective as a vaccine per se, which could actually provide a lifelong immunity against a pathogen, it still is a beacon of hope in such grim times.